First of all, we must raise awareness. We must speak loudly about this tragedy and say that those that are responsible for the climate change that is happening have a responsibility to support the Pakistani people in this situation. But at the same time, it is crucial that financial support to developing countries in relation to adaptation and resilience increases substantially. There was finally a promise of $40 billion per year, yes, but it's not yet clear if that will happen, and that is obviously not sufficient. We estimate the need of about $300 billion per year for adaptation of the developing countries. Of course, there is a possibility to have private investments, to mobilize other resources, but it's clear that there is a strong responsibility for that. And then there is the question of loss and damage that is foreseen in the Paris Agreement, and until now there was no progress in a serious discussion on that issue. I know it's a difficult issue, I know it will not be solved from one moment to the other, but I hope that in Cairo there is real progress, substantial progress in the discussion on loss and damage.